How to turn off volume limit on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On this page, you can view and manage your phone sound and haptic settings. These settings allow users to customize both the audio feedback and physical vibrations for various actions and notifications. Users can adjust volume, choose different sounds, and manage how haptics behave. Here, scroll down and go to the built-in speaker section. Tap on Volume Limit. Over here, you can set a limit for how loud your iPhone speaker can play audio, such as songs, movies, and other media. Now, turn off the Limit Maximum Volume feature at the top. Following these steps, you can easily turn off volume limit on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.